Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. As you see, we have again excellent work safety concept going on here. Epic grinder fight. We have 8 different types of discs that are going to fight until death. And the setup is really simple as always. 2 grinders, 1 press. Grinders are spinning, press goes down, shit happens. Kale Pop, no pants, is there watching closely and figuring out how dangerous can flying grinder disc parts be. We have of course exploded grinder discs before, but this time they are spinning on regular speed, not over speed, so this is going to be slightly more safe. And the first round, grinding discs, we have Expert vs Bosch. And hard to say, I'm going to say that the Bosch is going to win. And I'm not sure, are they going to explode or just turn to dust? But I declare when the fight is over and who is winner. Okay, the fight is over. The disc that has more material left is going to be the winner. Okay, this is 110 millimeters and this one 120 millimeters. So the Bosch goes to the next round. Okay, the next round is diamond round. We have again Bosch on the lower tool and on the top tool Kraft-Omat. I'm expecting much more dramatic round with some sparks and maybe even flying shrapnel. Okay, here we go. That looks fast. That looks so fast. I say that they are ready for the second round. Didn't do shit. Looks really cool. Something is going on. Oh, pisarda. I think they are mostly killing the grinders themselves, not each other. So I have to do visual inspection of the damage because we can't keep that fight on forever. The grinders are going to cook off. So I'm going to visually inspect them now. Okay, Bosch. Looks like new. Kraft-Omat looks like new. Turns out that the diamonds are like pretty good against tear and wear. So, Hanna, you can pick the winner.
Okay.
Okay, Bosch goes to the next round.
Yep.
Okay, next fight, cutting discs. We have again Expert, that was really good on the grinder series, and Kraft-Omat trying to get over the last defeat on the diamond round. And this fight is going to be the easiest for the machines themselves. So now we are going to have clear winner. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Let's see which one has the more diameter left. Okay, first the Kraft-Omat. About 95 millimeters left. And then the whatever was this. About 80. 85. So Kraft-Omat is the winner. Then last beginning round, Bosch Carbide multi-wheel. Tamo Professional Diamond All Cut. And let's see if this time we have some differences, because it's not all diamond. There is Carbide vs diamond, and I'm hard to say which is going to win. Diamond is harder, but Carbide might have some other qualities on its side. So might go either way. Okay, here we go. Oh, sharp. Something is going on. Something is going on. I think that's ready. Let's have a look. I'm going to, clearly the Carbide multi-wheel is wearing out. So the diamond is better than Carbide on this exciting fight. Yeah, then we have interesting semi-rounds. Unfortunately, the cutting disc match was so fierce that there is no survivors on that. Both are completely gone. So the first semi-final is going to be Bosch X-Lock vs X-Lock, Diamond vs regular grinding wheel, hard vs thick. Yeah, it's clearly the diamond. It's just eating away the grinding disc. So it's going to be diamond vs diamond on the final. Okay, here we are at the finals. Diamonds only. And before the final, I want to give one thought for you. You have seen how much dust there is when we are doing this. Every disc that you buy turns into dust. Doesn't turn into couple seconds like this, but it's the same thing on the slower scale. And you might think, do you want to breathe all that in? So use the breathing thing when using the grinders. You don't want to breathe this shit. Yeah, but here goes the diamonds. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's have a look. Okay. Now we have some results. The Bosch looks like completely new, but the Tamo Professional clearly worn out. So there is differences on diamond discs. These looks a bit different. I'm not sure are they for different use cases. But the Bosch is clearly the victor here. Yeah, and if you want to see more stupid grinder action, even stupider than this, here is a couple links to my Beyond the Press channel. There is plenty of good stuff there. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.